So we just launched Prep Insta Prime subscription, which is like 150 plus courses under one subscription. So it has courses like C, C++, Java, Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, data structures, comparative coding, even company specific courses like TCS, NQT, Infosys, TCS Digital, Amazon, etc. The link is in the description of the video. Go check that out. I'm sure that you'll love that.
Hey guys, welcome to another video wherein we'll be solving Infosys Aptitude questions and answers. So guys, we got a lot of requests from you guys. So first of all, let me clear you out. Technical questions, aptitude questions, mathematical and logical questions. These are the three different section names that Infosys has given to the same aptitude questions and answers thing. So if you are looking for mathematical and logical questions, or if you are looking for technical questions, technical aptitude questions, they are the same things. Infosys, they tend to name it in a little cool way, and that's why they've named it so. Aptitude questions and answers. So guys, I believe you have already watched the syllabus video for Infosys aptitude questions and answers, Infosys syllabus, my bad, for the SC profiles. If not, make sure you go and check it out from the link given in the description, because I'll not be talking much about the syllabus here. Most importantly, guys, make sure you're part of all our social media handles like Instagram, Discord, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, so that you're always notified about the placement drives and updates related to placements, right? Top 3 commenters in this video to get free subscription of Prep Insta Prime. So make sure you're commenting on this video to get your chances of getting Prime for free. Right. So let us not waste much time here and start with our first question. So here's the first question on your screen, guys. Data sufficiency. Infosys somehow loves data sufficiency questions, and you will see a lot of data sufficiency questions in your exam. So here's the first question on your screen. I believe you guys have a pen and paper with you so that you are solving it along with me. Whenever you feel you can always pause the video and do it on your own and then see the solution that I have for you, so that by watching you're also practicing at the same time. Okay, so guys, this particular question, right, how do we solve this? So they've told us zinc, copper, aluminium and tin are melted together in the ratio 8:6:3:1 to form a mass or an alloy. Zinc costs ₹30 per kilogram. What is the cost of copper per kilogram? So what you will do here, you will try to, create some equations from here. You know the value for zinc, let's say zinc is 30, right? You will say zinc plus copper plus aluminium plus tin in the alloy is 150 per kilogram. You know, cost of aluminium is equal to cost of copper, more or less. Now one equation I have here, I have one equation here, I have one equation here. How many variables do I have? Z, C, A and T. There are 4 different variables. So guys, it's up to you if you want to waste your time solving ratio and proportion. So here finding 8/8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 would be the units for zinc in the alloy. Solving it for next 5-10 minutes, that's up to you. But I'll suggest you don't have to solve this, because there are 4 variables. You need the cost of zinc, copper, aluminium and tin, right? But you just have, I'll say 1 and 2 equations, or let's say if you consider this to be one more equation, then you have 4 variables. If you don't, then you actually have 2 equations and 3 variables. And if you consider this as well, so in that case, you have 4 variables and 3 equations only. So that way, I can say both the statements are not sufficient to answer the question. Both the statements combined are even not sufficient to answer the questions. So what would be the answer? Option number E would be the answer. We need additional data to answer this particular question. Maybe one more equation wherein they have given me in what ratio. So maybe the cost of, let's say, tin is also given. In that case, we can solve this particular question. Okay. So moving on to the next question, guys. So as you've seen, we've already taken the actual screenshots of the actual questions which were asked in Infosys. So this is again an actual screenshot of a question that was asked in Infosys. If you're able to, relate from here, that's fine. Or else I have the question written in a text format for you as well. So now this is a very easy question, guys, and I expect most of you to answer this one. Can you pause this video and start solving this? Okay. So guys, this is what? This is permutation combination? No. This is not permutation, not combination. This is, I'll say, simply arrangement. So people who have watched my videos on Prep Insta Prime or my theory video of PNC on Prep Insta Prime, they would be able to understand what is difference between permutation, combination, and what is arrangement. So this is simply arrangement. You're not selecting, you're not, you're just arranging them. Switzerland. What is my job here? In how many ways can he arrange the letters of the word Switzerland so that the positions of the vowels are used by vowels only and the positions of consonants are used by the consonants only. So we don't have to switch the positions for the vowels and the consonants. So what I'll do from here is I'll mark the vowels from here. So vowel, vowel and vowel. These are the three vowels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 letters are there. 3 are vowel. So 8 are consonants. I have to arrange them, right? And to form new words. So my answer simply would be there are 8 consonants. Same positions I have to put them. So arranging 8 consonants in 8 different places is 8 factorial. Arranging 3 vowels in 3 places is 3 factorial. Was I very quick? But that's the way you actually solve it. This takes hardly 5-10 seconds to solve this particular question. The answer is simply 8 factorial into 3 factorial. For those who are a little new, let me explain it to you. So guys, there are 11 positions, right? This one is taken by a vowel, this one is taken by a vowel, and this one is taken by a vowel. The rest are all consonants. So when I have to arrange 3 vowels at 3 different positions, what are my choices? I have 3 vowels. This position I can fill in 3 different ways. One of the vowels will go here. So to fill this, I have only 2 choices of vowels. For this, I have only 1 choice. So 3 into 2 into 1. What is 3 into 2 into 1? 3 factorial. Similarly, to fill this position, I can fill this only with consonants as given by the question that positions of consonants are only used by consonants. So this position I can choose between 8 consonants. 1 will be filled here. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ways of solving this. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is nothing but 8 factorial. 8 factorial into 3 factorial from the vowels. So that is the answer. Got that? So if you have still questions or doubts, you can definitely post it in the chat or the comment section, and the team would be more than happy to answer the questions to you. All right? Okay, so this is one question from clocks and calendars, guys. So clocks and calendars is asked in the aptitude part for Infosys. If you're not able to read this from here, so this is the actual screenshot question from Infosys, and this is one question that we have converted, written in a text format for you guys. So you can pause this video here and start solving this on your own. I have a very cool and short trick to solve this particular question for you guys, right? All right. So guys, first things first. So they've given me, so there is one formula, right? Theta is equal to 11 by 2. This formula is there. I'll not talk about the formula. You've seen videos of my theory lecture on prime, you'd know about that. But for this such questions, you don't actually need the formula. There is even a very short trick to solve this particular question. So guys, one thing is 4, this would be 5, let's say, and this would be 6, 3, 2, 1, this would be 12, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my bad, I've mixed it up, but don't worry, we only need this particular area, right? Okay, so they are saying if the R hand is between 4 and 5 and the angle between the minute and the R hand of the clock is 60 degrees, what time should the clock show? So guys, see, if the time is, let's say, 4:15, the R hand will not be exactly at 4, right? It will be somewhere here. Ignore that as of now. Do not think about that. Simply think that your R hand is here at 4, exactly at 4. It says the R and the minute hand creates a 60-degree angle. So guys, this entire clock has 360 degrees. 360 degrees are divided between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So between every R hand, every R, there are 30 degrees. They say it is 60 degrees between the R and the minute hand. So 30 degree and 30 degree. Somewhere around here, this is 60 degree. 4:10 would be 60 degree. I hope you understand, because the angle between 3 and 4 is 30 degrees, because the entire angle on a clock is 360 degrees, because it's a complete circle It is divided between 12 different hours. So 360 divided by 12 is 30. So the minute hand will be somewhere around 2, so that the angle is 60 degrees. So this is anti-clockwise angle. There is again one more angle formed here. When it is at 4, the minute hand could also be at 6, right? So 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees. So roughly I can say the time should be somewhere around 4:10 and 4:30. But when this minute hand reaches 10, this hand will not be at 4, right? This will move a little bit here. So there should be some approximations that we need to add here. What would be those approximations? There's a very quick shortcut for those approximations. Simply add, how many minutes are there? 10 minutes. 10 by, just add 11 here. 10 by 11. 30 minutes, so add 30 by 11. So this is a very quick short trick for this particular problem. And when you solve this, so 4, this is what? Take LCM here. So 110 plus 10, 120 by 11. What would be this? 11 3s are 33. So 330 plus 30, 360 by 11. So 120 by 11 minutes past 4 and 360 by 11 minutes past 4. Option B is your answer. Now for those who are also a little bit confused here, can you tell me one thing very quickly? Right, minute hand. Let's talk about the minute hand quickly. Right, minute hand completes 360 degrees in how many minutes? 360 degrees in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So in 1 minute, the minute hand rotates 6 degrees. The hour hand, right? The hour hand rotates 360 degrees in 12 hours. Right? So how many, what is 12 hours, guys? 12 hours is 720 minutes. 12 6 are 72, 720 minutes. So in 1 minute, the hour hand rotates how many degrees, guys? Half a degree. Okay. So in 1 minute, the minute hand rotates 6 degrees. In 1 minute, the hour hand rotates half a degree. So guys, every 1 minute, what is the angle formed? So if I say both the minute and the hour hand are at 12 exactly now, and I've started the clock, every 1 minute, there would be a relative angle formed between them, right? Because the minute hand will go 6 degrees, but the hour hand will only go half a degree. So what would be the relative angle between them? 6 degrees minus half degree, that is 11 by 2 degrees. So in 1 minute, so 11 by 2 degrees are formed in 1 minute. So 1 degree angle is formed in how many minutes? 2 by 11 minutes, right? So a 60 degree angle would be formed in how many minutes, guys? 2 by 11 into 60, that is 120 by 11 minutes. Yes. Now this is one part of it. The second one, guys, how can you find the second one? So that's a trick question for you. I've already given you the concept from here. It's up to you. How do you find? So those who are using formula, they would be able to understand. So you got 1, right? You got 4:10 wala time here, but you want the other time as well. Just calculate, do your calculations, do your homework, and you will be able to find this. Make sure your theories are clear related to clocks and calendars. Okay, moving on to the next question, guys. Again, one more permutation and combination question for you here. Meanwhile, guys, I'll quickly show you, right? So all these questions, where do you practice? If you have Prime subscription, you have to go to this particular section from here, and we have solved all these questions, all the theory questions, all the formulas that I talked about here is solved in this particular section. Even you need logical or verbal or DI, that's there. There is also one more unique topic called crypto that is asked in Infosys, so you can prepare for that from this particular section, right? Okay, and for coding and C, this is the section that you have to take care of. There is also one more round called pseudocode, right? So pseudocode you can prepare from here, and to practice more questions on Infosys, you have to visit this particular section. So you can go to companies, service-based company section, and you can scroll here, and this is the section for Infosys, right? So inside this, if you check the syllabus for Infosys, aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, crypto, pseudocode, puzzles, interview preparation, everything is included inside this. So you don't have to prepare for anything else. This is where you have to go and prepare for, right? Okay. So again, a very easy question, guys. Can you solve this one? So guys, in this question, it is given that there are 5 numerical digits and 4 alphabets. Yes, 5 numerical digits and 4 alphabets. And I have to create alphanumeric words using 2 digits and 3 alphabets. So what I have to do, I have to first select and then arrange them. How do I select 2 digits out of 5 digits? Selecting 2 from 5, that is 5C2. Selecting 3 out of 4 is 4C3. So that way I'll have 5 characters, right? 2 digits and 3 words. But I have to arrange, create alphanumeric words from them. So there are 5 numbers in total. So how do I arrange them? So to arrange them, I have to use 5 factorial. I can arrange them in 5 factorial ways. The way we have done it for the vowels and the consonants in the previous question, right? 5C2. Since it is 2, I have to go 2 times, right? 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 4C3 is nothing but 4C1. 4C1 is nothing but 4. Into 5 factorial is 120. 60 times. This would be 240. Into 20 is nothing but 4800. That would be my answer, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next question from here, guys. So here's the next question on your screen. It's a very easy question. So guys, this is again one of the questions that Infosys asks a lot of times. And this is, I'll say, a question that you can answer in 1 or 2 seconds, not more than that. There are 25 people in a group. If all shakes hand with one another, how many handshakes are possible? Guys, handshakes is nothing but when do you make a handshake? When 2 people are selected, they'll make one handshake. You choose any 2 random people, they'll be able to make a handshake. I cannot handshake with myself. 3 people will not handshake together. Handshakes are always done when you choose 2 and then you ask them to handshake. Or I'll say, there are 25 people, how many games of chess can you organize between them? Or how many badminton matches that they can play. In such sort of questions, guys, it is always about selecting 2 people. If you can select 2 people, there will be 1 match or 1 handshake or whatever you want them to do. So in that case, the answer is nothing but 25C2. What is 25C2? 25 into 24 divided by 2 into 1. Nothing but 12. 25 times 10 is 250 plus 50. 300 would be your answer for this particular question, right? So again, the same question written in a text format for those who were not able to read it properly. Okay, so guys, here's another question on your screen. The last 2 the last 2 digits of 15 raised to the power 2018, right? What would be the answer for this particular question? Okay, so I believe you have paused the video here and start solving this on your own. If not, I'll just start solving this for you guys. So guys, see, there are 2 ways of solving this particular question. I'll show you one trickier way. 15, right? 15 raised to the power 2018. Can I say this is 10 plus 5 square raised to the power 1014? For even powers, right? This won't be valid for the odd powers. So when I see this, guys, it is always, so let's do what is a plus b whole square. A square is 100 plus b square is what? 25. What is 2ab? 2 into 10 into 5 is again 100. Right? So what did I get? When I let them up, I'll get 25 at the end for some even powers. So more or less I can say the digits would always be 25. Those who believe in cyclicity rule, 5, right? 5 raised to the power. So whenever there's 5 in the units place, raised to some powers, 5 raised to the power 1 is what? 5. 5 square is what? 25. 5 cube is what? 125. 5 to the power 4 is what? 625. Till any power you go, the last 2 digits are always 25. The units place is 5. Whatever power you raise it, the last 2 digits are always 25. Not in case of 5 to the power 1, but in all the other cases, it is always 25. 5. Okay, so guys, another question from statements. What? Data sufficiency? Yes. Another question from data sufficiency. Can you pause this video here and start solving this on your own? Meanwhile, guys, let me also tell you what Prep Insta Prime is all about. So Prep Insta Prime is more like an OTT platform wherein you get access to 150 plus courses with one single. You pay once, you get access to 150 plus courses, which include courses like skill-based courses like AI, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, cloud computing, all the popular languages that you need, that is C, C++, Java, Python, popular coding like basic, intermediate, competitive coding. So even if you're a mechanical student, you can start coding from Prep Insta Prime using this basic coding course, and then you have data structures in all the languages, which is very important for you to get placed. Aptitude, right? Aptitude for all the company specific training, like for Infosys, we have crypto arithmetic already added over here, which you won't find on many of the websites or videos. Talking about your tracks for service-based, product-based, and fan companies, or the man companies is what they have started calling it now. Company service-based company courses, like more than 70 to 80 service-based company courses are listed already here. Any company you name from the service-based category, and we have a course on them with the previous year questions for you to solve. Product-based company courses, interview preparation, platform-based courses, projects that you can use in your interview, computer science subjects, coding brush up like pseudocode, automata fix. Pseudocode is already part of Infosys, right? So that's already been here. Interview plus sections like resume, guesstimates, group study, a group discussion, puzzles, HR preparation, GitHub, everything is a part of it. And not only this, guide, along with your Prep Insta Prime subscription, what you get is access or certificates for all the courses that you complete on Prep Insta Prime. Along with that, you also get one more certificate from TCS Ion on one of the skills that you complete on Prep Insta Prime, right? Let me also show you the prices for the same, guys. So you can get the Prep Insta Prime subscription starting from a 3-month subscription, which goes on till 48 months, right? So you can choose any of the subscription from there, and you can use the coupon code YouTube, which will give you a lot of discount there. I think 10, 15, 20% of discount is what you can get using the YouTube coupon code, which is there in the description of the video, along with the link to purchase it, right? Okay, so guys, let's get back to the question from here again. I believe you guys would be able to solve this question now here. So I have to form equation. See, consider the below question followed by the two statements. How much money do Vivek and Suman have together? Suman has 20 rupees less than that, than what Tarun has. Suman has 20 rupees less than what Tarun has. So Suman has Tarun minus 20. Vivek has 30 rupees more than what Tarun has. So Vivek is nothing but Tarun plus 30. What do I need to find? I need to find how much money do Vivek and Suman have together. So Suman and Vivek, I'll add them. So S plus B, this is what I'm supposed to find, is equal to nothing but 2T plus 10. The problem again here is, guys, there are 1, 2 and 3 variables, but there are only 2 equations. So again, I'll not be able to answer this question using both the options. So the question can be answered with the help of one statement, but not both, not the answer case. The question can be answered with the help of both the statements. No. The question can be answered with the help of either of the statements. No. The question cannot be answered with the help of the information provided. That is the correct option for this particular question. Right. So guys, that's all we have from this particular video. Make sure you have, you're a part of all our social media handles, that is Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. I'll also show you quickly. So guys, we have posted a lot of drives for you already on our Instagram handle, be it the Amazon, Infosys update, or Microsoft, Google, or any drive that you name. We have Instagram handles which are very specific to your year of password. I'm considering you guys are 23 password. In that case, you should follow this. If you are from any other batch, the link for the other batch handles are already given in the description of the video. So make sure you're going and joining that. Yes, last but not the least, guys, top 3 comment in this video to get free subscription of Prep Insta Prime. So make sure you are not missing that out. And yes, if you have any questions for me personally, or you want to reach out to me, this is my Instagram handle. You can also find the link in the description. So you can also reach out to me. And if you have any queries or anything, any suggestions that you need, I'll be more than happy to help you guys out with the same. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Hope to see you soon in the next one. Thank you.